Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game version and ensuring updates are applied. This prevents spawn bugs. Next, secure the 1000 currency or listed trade items. You need them at the vendor or capture gate. Then, open the map and travel to the hub NPC or arena where Sandstorm Chomik is known to appear. This saves wasted wandering. Once positioned, stay alert for spawn queues and set a quick respawn item so you can attempt. Once the event begins, you focus on timing. The Sandstorm runs for 20 to 30 minutes, so act fast. You deploy stun or net tools first. This prevents the Chomik from escaping into dunes, then bait to lure it into a trapping zone. Make sure you use shields or movement-slowing effects to control its path, and time your capture burst when it's slowed. This increases success chance. If you're in a group, assign roles: baiter, trapper, and looter so everyone executes smoothly. You finish by performing the capture ritual and immediately confirming that Sandstorm Chomik appears in your inventory. This avoids lost rewards. If you end up with duplicates, exchange them for upgrades or sell to cover costs for another run. If the Chomik never spawns, troubleshoot. Reset the instance, relog, and verify the event timer and your network connection. Many misses come from desync timers. If problems persist, move to a different hub or ask a teammate to trigger the event for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.